Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the Epson Projector Auto Iris error, brightness and iris calibration fix guide. So fix 1. Power cycle the projector. So turn the projector off completely, then unplug the power cord from the wall outlet, then wait at least 5 minutes and plug it back in and turn the projector on again and check if the error message disappear. Fix 2. Clean the air filter and vents. So dust buildup can contribute to overheating and internal component issue. Turn off and unplug the projector. Remove and clean air filter according to your projector manually. And then clear any dust from the ventilation opening. And ensure nothing is blocking airflow around the projector. Fix 3. Clean the air filter and vents. Turn off and unplug the projector. Remove and clean the air filter according to your projector manually. Then clear any dust from the ventilation opening and ensure nothing is blocking airflow around the projector. Fix 4. Disable auto iris if you can access the menu. If the projector still display on image, press menu on the remote, open image or picture settings, then locate auto iris and set it to off. Now restart the projector and check whether the error return. The fix 5. Reset the projector. So open the projector menu. Now go to reset. Then select reset all or factory reset and confirm the reset and restart the projector. Fix 6. Check for internal obstacles. The iris assembly use small moving blades and a motor. Dust, drift or mechanical wear can prevent proper movement. If you hear clicking noise during the startup, the iris mechanism may be stuck. In some cases, dust or drifts inside the iris assembly can cause the error. The fix 7. Contact Epson support. If the error continues after the above steps, turn the projector off and unplug it. Then do not continue using the projector. Then contact Epson support on an or an authorized Epson service center for inspection and repair. Epson especially advise contacting support when an auto iris error remain active. So goodbye and thanks for watching.